all-new GT63 SE Performance. We will be pushing this 843 horsepower hybrid V8 on the German Autobahn. 300. So hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today join me for a night drive inside the all new GT63 SE Performance. Before we start with the actual drive, let me jump outside and give you a quick tour. Wow, that's it, the GT63 SE Performance. This car here is finished in Côte d'Azur blue. It's one of the coolest colors. Actually, it looks a bit like silver, but as soon as we come a bit closer, you get a little bit of blue. Yeah, that's so cool. We have the GT63 SE Performance, the V8 hybrid model here, which gives us 639 horsepower from the iconic 4-liter V8. And then in addition to that, we have an electric drive unit giving us a total output of 843 horsepower. And today we will be driving it mainly on the German Autobahn. So join me. Talked a bit about the front. That's the rear. Here also with the rear spoiler up. Wow, looking car. We have no additional rear aero kit, so we have this rear spoiler which you can just move out with a press of a button. How do you guys like the car in the night? Here we have the gorgeous looking interior. Let me jump right inside and give you a closer look. Here we are. Wow, the ambient colors inside this is just absolutely fascinating. Let's get right into it and start up the engine. As soon as I start it here, the car is ready to drive, but it always starts in comfort with the electric mode, so there's no sound. As soon as you switch it to sport, you have the V8 firing up, and then you can also go with the Sport Plus. Here you go. Let me also give you a bit of a sound check here before we actually start the drive. Pretty nice sounding car, right? I like it. It's better sounding than the previous model I actually tested. Anyways, let me put the seatbelts on and let's start with the drive. So the engine is on, but you can actually drive it full electric mode. Here you go. If you don't want to disturb your neighbors, this is the best thing to do. We are cruising here down the night, so having a quick electric drive here towards the Autobahn is actually something pretty cool. We are disturbing no one at this point, I have to mention. Everyone is sleeping, but today there is no sleep for us. We will be pushing this 843 horsepower hybrid V8 on the German Autobahn. So guys, join me today. We are moving towards the German Autobahn right now. Let me actually go ahead and start with my favorite color here with the ambient setting. Is actually blue. Wow, this looks absolutely cool. And let's get it on, making our way here. Let me just go ahead and also activate AMG Performance here, so we have all the data here. Here we are, guys. It's time for the night drive. Batman arrives in style. We are on the German Autobahn. From limited Autobahn to unlimited Autobahn. Let's go with the Sport Plus, full throttle. Whoa, 240 kph, as if it was nothing. This car is so powerful. Wow, absolute menace. Wow, I'm speechless. This car is an absolute menace. It's not to joke with. I'm being straight up honest. Downshift, 4th gear. Crazy speed. This is crazy. It's a bit scared to see how much power you can get from the V8 with the electric drive unit, obviously, but it's just not stopping. I mean, for example, you're in 3rd gear. If you go all the way down to 3rd gear, you can drive from 50 all the way to 130, 140 kph in just one go. You can smoke literally anything on the Autobahn with this car. Anything. Anything. Wow. Even on those curvy roads here. Unbelievable power. I respect that. I totally respect that. Wow. Wow. Okay, final one for tonight, full throttle. Telling you straight, this car is extremely brutal. It feels like driving a rocket. I'm just talking about the power output. I mean, we are in 3rd gear, starting from 50 kph, 70, 80 kph, goes all the way up to 140, 150, and in 4th gear it will go all the way up to 200 kph. That's unbelievable. How much power this car has actually got is impressive. And I like the idea of having still a V8 and an electric drive unit just pushing for peak performance output, and I like the car a lot. I mean, there's just one thing I didn't like, and it's the weight. I mean, at the end of the day, you have like a 200-300 kilo battery sitting in the back and just giving you extra weight. That sometimes doesn't feel good, even when just driving regularly. The total consumption I did, the average consumption was like approximately 20-21 liters. Yeah, which is actually fine for V8. So all in all, guys, how do you like today's video? I hope you enjoyed tonight's ride with the GT63 S E-Performance. I'm honest with you, I didn't dare to go plus 300 because the roads are not straight. It's pretty curvy Autobahn here, and apart from that, I really respect the car. I honestly respect the car. I mean, we have amazing brakes, amazing tires here, and an amazing V8, but anyways, this car is something to respect and not to play with. Enjoyed it a lot. Hope you guys did as well. Which car should we drive next on the German Autobahn in the night, Batman mode? Please share it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.